Rad Madhavata Gundaviarija Kaptan Valabhata Girvanadharija Girvanadharija Sodanandana Pratatanarandhana Sodanandana Pratatanarandhana Yamanatira Vanachari Yamanatira Vanachari Rad Madhavata Gundaviari reading Bhagavad Puran 1.3.25 Athasa Yuga Sandhyayam Dasya Praya Sudaya Yanita Vishnu Yasaso Namna Kalkir Jagatpati. Thereafter, at the conjunction of two yugas, the Lord of the creation will take his birth as the Kalki incarnation becomes son of Vishnu Yasa. At this time, almost all rulers of earth will have degenerated in the plunderers. So Kalki come at the end of the Kali Yuga, before the Satya Yuga starts, on that conjunction between two yugas. And Lord will appear as an incarnation of Kalki avatar, son of Vishnu Yasa. And because all the rulers of earth have, their consciousness has already corrupted, Kalki comes and destroys and kills all of them to change the adharma back to dharma. Sri Radheshyam.